this is Charlene. We are going to solve a system of two linear equations using the matrix function of our graphing calculator. The first thing that we need to do in order to use the matrix function of our graphing calculator is to make sure that both of our linear equations are in standard form. Standard form can be used in the matrix function. Okay, so we look at 3x minus 2y equals 10. That definitely is ax plus by equals c format. So that is already in the standard form. Now, at first glance, you might think that this is not in standard form. However, we can make just a few tweaks and turn it into the standard form. So again, standard form, ax plus by is equal to the constant. We already have an invisible 1x, so 1x goes right there. Well, how many y's do I have in that second equation? Well, I have 0 y's, so I can literally put a coefficient of 0 in here, and then that is also equal to the constant of 2. So constant of 2. So I've now have converted this second equation into a format that clearly demonstrates that it actually is in standard form. So I'm going to use these two equations to enter my coefficients and my constants into the matrix function of my calculator. So let's go over here to our calculator. We're going to go to the matrix window, which is blue second button, blue matrix. I want to go over to the edit screen, and I want to edit the first matrices. It already indicates that it's a 2 by 3, and that's exactly what I need. I do need, because I have 2 rows, there are 2 rows, and then I have 1, 2, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. So 2 by 3 is the needed matrix. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Well, actually, looky here. I've already put them in. I've got a, let's see, let me go find a different color here. There we go. Okay, so 3, -2, and 10. And you'll see over here 3, -2, and 10 are already in the first row of the matrix. And then I will need the coefficient of 2, 0, and 2. So the second row says 1, 0, and 2. Okay, so we've already got all those numbers in our matrix. So now I'm going to go completely out of the matrix screen, and then I'm going to go right back into the matrix screen again. So second matrix, blue second button, blue word matrix. But now I want to calculate with my matrices. So I'm going to go over to math, and I'm going to go find the RREF, which is the reduced row echelon option. I'm going to push enter to choose that. Now it's asking me, which matrices do you want to look at? Well, I'm going to go back into second matrix, and the first one is my 1A 2 by 3 that I just put the data in. So I'm going to push enter to choose that one, close that with the parentheses, and push enter. And you can see it gives me a matrices of 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, and -2. And as long as we have this configuration, all 1s and 0s, my 1s go in kind of a diagonal direction, that means that 2 should be the x value, -2 should be my y value, and I can write my answer as an x and y coordinate as 2, -2. So if you graph these two lines, you will find that they do indeed intersect at the point 2, -2, and that makes this the solution to our two linear equations. Hopefully that helps you go through this process. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and come back really soon.